Hi everyone, so today I am going to be showing you how to use Padlet and explore the discussion post section, and specifically we are going to be looking at our what is your favorite season and how does it make your life different from other seasons discussion post. So I am going to share a link with you all, and the link is going to take you to a screen that looks something like this. And from here, you are going to look at the question and kind of think about how you would like to answer it. And then from there, you're going to go down to this plus sign down here where it says add post, and it's going to take you to a screen then that looks like this. And from here, you're going to be able to write in the type and the write your response here section. So since I've already done an example, I'm just going to do a small one and say, my favorite is winter because I get to see my family. So obviously yours would be longer, but mine is just going to look something short like this so that I can show you all how to do this. So then from here, once you have your response written out to the question, you have a few different options. You can choose to publish it, or if the guidelines say so, you can click here and then it gives you all of these options, which is very cool. It comes with a lot of different things that you can add to your post to make it better and to make it more interesting. So you can upload your own picture. So let's say you have a picture from you and your family during the winter time. You can upload a personal picture. You can also have the camera the option, or the video recorder and audio recorder option if that's something that interests you. You can put a poll up to see what the other people's favorite seasons was. This gives you an opportunity to make your discussion posts very interactive within each other. But for mine, I'm going to choose an image search. So you can do this and you can search whatever season or put in any word. So I chose winter, and I really like this picture, so then it's going to add this picture to my post. And then from here, once you have finished doing it, you can add a caption, so winter snow. So then from here, you can press publish, and it's going to publish onto the discussion post so that your classmates can see it. And then from here, they have a few different features. You can you can add a comment, so you can say, wow, I really like winter too. And then you can publish that so that your classmates can see you responding and reacting to their discussion posts. So it's a very nice way to interact with your classmates and see what everyone has to say about the discussion topic for that week. And I think that is pretty much it. You have a bunch of different features to work with, so I really want you to make this creative and fun and interactive with your classmates.